I'm going to show you exactly how to make your first $100 using AI, even if you have zero experience, zero technical skills, and you're starting right now, today. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 proven methods that thousands of people are already using to make money with AI every single day. And I'm going to show you, step by step, exactly what to do, what tools to use, and how to get your first client. Today, let's go. Here's why AI changes everything. What used to take 10 hours now takes 1 hour. You can deliver professional quality work at beginner speed. That means you can charge professional prices while you're still learning. A blog post that took a professional writer 5 hours, you can do in 30 minutes. With ChatGPT, a logo that took a designer 3 hours, you can create in 15 minutes. With AI tools, a video edit that took an editor 4 hours, you can finish in 40 minutes. With AI software, this is not theory. This is happening right now. And I'm going to show you exactly how. There are 3 methods I'm going to teach you today. Method 1. AI writing services, the easiest way to start. Method 2. AI graphic design, high demand, easy to learn. Method 3. AI video editing. Every content creator needs this. Pick the one that sounds easiest to you, and start there. You can always add the others later. Let's dive into Method 1. Method 1. AI writing services. This is the fastest way to make your first $100. Here's what you do. Step 1. Go to Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. Create a free account. Takes 2 minutes. Step 2. Create a service listing. Here's exactly what to write. Title: AI assisted blog writing. High quality. Fast delivery. Price: start at $50 for a 1,000-word blog post. Description: I will write engaging blog posts for your business using advanced AI tools, combined with human editing, for perfect quality, fast turnaround, unlimited revisions. That's it. Simple, clear, effective. Step 3. Get your first client. Here's the secret. When you're starting, go to the buyer request section. On Fiverr, people post what they need. You send proposals. Write this: Hi, I can write your blog post using AI-assisted writing, with human editing for quality. Delivery in 24 hours, $50. Let's work together. Send 10 proposals. You'll get at least 1 yes, usually more. Step 4. Use ChatGPT to write the blog post. Here's exactly how. Go to ChatGPT, type this prompt, write a 1,000-word blog post about topic, make it engaging, professional, SEO optimized, include subheadings, make it conversational and easy to read. ChatGPT writes the entire post in 2 minutes. Step 5. Edit it. Read through. Fix any weird sentences. Add your own touches. Make it sound human. This takes 20 minutes. Step 6. Deliver to your client. They love it. You get paid $50. Do this twice. You just made $100. In 1 day. With AI. Pro tip: as you get reviews, raise your prices. After 5 reviews, charge $75. After 20 reviews, charge $100 per blog post. Some people on Fiverr charge $300 for the same work, once they have good reviews. That's method 1. Simple, effective. Anyone can do this. Method 2. AI graphic design. Even if you've never designed anything, you can do this. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1. Go to Canva.com. Create a free account. Canva has AI built in now, it's incredible. Or use Midjourney for more advanced designs, but Canva is easier to start. Step 2. Learn the basics. Spend 30 minutes creating 5 sample designs, logos, social media posts, business cards, flyers, thumbnails. Use Canva's AI features, magic design, background remover, AI image generator. These tools are insane. Step 3. Create your Fiverr listing. Here's what to write. Title: professional logo design, AI-powered, fast delivery. Price: $25 for a logo, $50 for a complete brand package. Description: I will create a professional logo for your business using advanced AI design tools, multiple concepts, unlimited revisions, source files included. Upload your 5 sample designs as your portfolio. This shows you can deliver. Step 4. Get clients. Same as before. Go to buyer requests, send proposals, or post on Facebook, in small business groups, offering free logo design for your first 3 clients. In exchange for reviews, people will jump on this. Everyone needs design work. Step 5. Create the design. Client tells you what they want. You go to Canva, use the AI tools, create 3 logo options. Takes 15 minutes, send them the options. They pick one, you refine it. 5 minutes, done. Step 6. Deliver the final files. PNG, JPG, PDF. They're happy. You get paid $25. Do this 4 times. You just made $100. Pro tip. Offer package deals. Logo plus business card plus social media graphics. Charge $100. Takes you 1 hour with AI. Huge profit margin. That's method 2. Super profitable. Easy to scale. Method 3. AI video editing. This is huge right now. Every content creator needs an editor. And with AI, you can edit videos 10 times faster than traditional editing. Here's how. Step 1. Download CapCut. It's free. It has incredible AI features, auto captions, background removal, AI effects, everything you need. Or, use Descript, also has amazing AI tools, auto transcription, filler word removal. It's like magic. Step 2. Learn the AI features. Spend 1 hour editing a practice video. Add AI captions, cut out silences, add music, export. This 1 hour will make you thousands of dollars. Best investment ever. Step 3. Find clients. Here's where to look. Facebook groups for content creators, YouTubers, TikTokers, Instagram creators, Reddit, r/video editing, r/YouTube, r/content creation, Twitter, search, need video editor, looking for editor, tons of people posting. Post this. I offer AI-powered video editing, auto captions, fast turnaround, $50 per video. DM me, you will get messages, immediately. Step 4. Edit the video. Client sends you their raw footage. You import to CapCut. Use AI to add captions. Takes 2 minutes. Cut out the filler words, pauses, mistakes. Takes 10 minutes. Add music, transitions, effects. Takes 10 minutes. Export. Upload. Send to client. Total time. 30 minutes. Step 5. Get paid. $50 for 30 minutes of work. That's $100 per hour. Better than most jobs. Do this twice. You made $100. Pro tip. Offer subscription packages. 4 videos per month. $150. Clients love predictability. You get recurring income. Some editors charge $500 per month for the same service. Once they have a good reputation. That's method 3. High demand. Great pay. AI makes it easy. Okay. Now you have 3 methods. Here are my pro tips. Tip 1. Start with one method, get good at it, then add the others. Don't try to do everything at once. Tip 2. Underprice at first. Your goal is to get 5-star reviews, fast. Once you have 10 reviews, raise your prices. Reviews are worth more than money at the start. Tip 3. Deliver fast. Everyone says 24 to 48 hours. You deliver in 12 hours. You'll get more clients, better reviews, word of mouth. Tip 4. Over-deliver. If they ask for 1 logo, give them 3 options. If they want 1 revision, give them 3. This gets you repeat clients. Tip 5. Use AI for everything. ChatGPT for client communication. AI for the work. AI for invoicing. You should spend 10% doing work, 90% getting clients. If you need $100 today, here's the fastest path. Combine all 3 methods, offer a content package. I will write your blog post, design your graphics, and edit your video, all for $100. Post this on Facebook, in entrepreneur groups, small business groups, you'll get clients immediately, because it's a great deal. Use AI for everything. The blog post takes 30 minutes, the graphics take 20 minutes, the video edit takes 40 minutes, total work time, 90 minutes. You made $100, that's $66 per hour, just by using AI. Here's what I want you to do. Right now, pick one method, just one, the one that sounds easiest. Go create your account, Fiverr, Upwork, Canva, CapCut, whatever you need. Set up your service, use the exact words I gave you, send 10 proposals, or post in 10 Facebook groups. You will get your first client. Today. Or tomorrow. Deliver amazing work, using AI. Get your 5-star review. Then come back to this video and comment, "I made my first $100. I will reply to every single comment. I want to celebrate with you. Your first $100 is just the beginning." Some people scale this to $10,000 per month, using the exact same methods. But it starts with $100. And it starts today. If you found this helpful, subscribe. I post new AI money-making methods every week. Drop a comment, let me know which method you're starting with, and I'll see you in the next video, where I show you how to scale past $100 to $1,000 and beyond. Let's go make some money with AI. Subscribe for more AI money-making tutorials. Your first $100 starts now.